Open your Figma design and locate the toolbar at the top. Click on the Resources icon. It looks like a small diamond or grid, and switch to the Plugins tab. In the search bar, type Teleport HQ and click on it to launch the plugin. Select the specific layers or frames from your design that you want to convert. Once they are highlighted, click the Export as a New Project button within the plugin window. This will automatically open a new tab in your browser. Sign in to Teleport HQ using your Google account or email. Once your project loads, click the Code button in the top right corner. By default, it might show React Code. Just click the drop-down arrow in the upper left of the code window and select HTML. Wait for the code to update and you will see your HTML and CSS files ready. You can now toggle between the files and use the Copy button to grab your code for any web project. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.